Hi friends, I'm Kaushik Das and welcome to my YouTube channel KD's ePathshala. Today we are going to discuss the concept of kurtosis and the measures of kurtosis. So, do you like this video? Please share with your friend and help us to grow. And please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon for further updates. So, without wasting time, let's get started. So first of all, we are going to discuss the what is kurtosis. So what is kurtosis? Kurtosis is a statistical measure that defines how heavily the tails of a distribution differ from the tails of a normal distribution. In other words, kurtosis identifies whether the tails of a given distribution contain extreme value. So along with skewness, kurtosis is an important descriptive statistics of data distribution. However, the two concepts must not be confused with each other. Skewness essentially measures the symmetry of the distribution, while kurtosis determines the heaviness of the distribution tails, distribution tails. So now we are going to discuss the types of kurtosis. There is three types of kurtosis: mesokurtic, leptokurtic and platykurtic. So first we are going to discuss the mesokurtic. Data that follow the mesokurtic distribution shows an excess kurtosis of 0 or close to 0. This means that if the data follows a normal distribution, it follows a mesokurtic distribution. Okay. So next we are going to leptokurtic. So what is leptokurtic? Leptokurtic indicate a positive excess kurtosis. The leptokurtic distribution shows heavy tails on either side, indicating large outline in finance. Or leptokurtic distribution shows the investment returns may be prone to extreme values on either side. Therefore, an investment whose returns follow a leptokurtic distribution is considered to be risky. And finally, the platykurtic. The platykurtic distribution shows a negative excess kurtosis. The kurtosis reveals a distribution with the flat tails. The flat tails indicate the small outlier in a distribution in the finance context. The platykurtic distribution, the investment returns is desirable for investor because there is a small probability that the investment would experience extreme returns. So now we are going to calculate kurtosis. There is some scores, frequency and CUMFF. That scores we use in our last video when we calculate skewness. The same scores and frequency we use here. The formula of kurtosis is Q divided by P90 minus P10. Here we see that there is a requirement according to formula is quartile and percentile point. So how can we calculate Q? So formula is here Q equal to Q3 minus Q1. So first of all we calculate Q1 and the Q3. So Q1 formula is L plus N by 4 minus capital F by small f into I, and Q3 formula is L plus 3N by 4 minus capital F by small f into I. So when we try to calculate Q1, so firstly we calculate the N by 4. So N is total number divided by 4 is 12.5. So where is 12.5? In the we find the 12.5 in the CUMFF column is between 13 and 17. So Q1 L হচ্ছে 54.5 plus N by 4 to 12.5 minus capital F is 7, small f is 6 into 5. So 54.5 plus 12.5 minus 7 is 5.5 into 5 divided by 6. So 54.5 plus 5.5 divided by 6 is 0.92 into 5. So 54.5 plus 0.92 into 5 is 4.6. So 54.5 plus 4.6 is 59.5. Similarly, we calculate Q3. So here we can calculate first 3N divided by 4. So 3 into 50 equal to 150 divided by 4 is 37.5. So where is 37.5? We can find the 37.5 in the CMF column between 43 and 37. So the L is 674.5, n by 4 37.5, minus capital F is 37, small f which 6 into 5. So 74.5 plus 37.5 minus 37 is 0.5 into 5 divided by 6. 74.5 plus 0.5 divided by 6 is 0.08 into 5. So 74.5 plus 0.08 into 5 is 0.4. So 74.5 plus 0.4 is 74.9. Now we can calculate the Q. The formula of Q is Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. So 74.9 minus 59.1 divided by 2. So 74.9 minus 59.1 is 15.8 divided by 2. So answer is 7.9. So now we can calculate Q, and here the P90 and P10. P90 is 82 and P10 is 52. I have already said that in my previous video I used the same scores. That's why we already calculate their P90 and the P10. P90 answer is 82 and P10 answer is 52. The same answer of P90 and P10 we are used in our video. Calculate kurtosis. Okay. So we are now back to our main page where we are going to calculate kurtosis. So here we came back. So now we can calculate the KU. Okay. So the answer of Q is 7.9 divided by 82 minus 52 equal to 7.9 divided by 30. So KU answer is 0.263. So here is the answer. So dear students, in this video we are learn concept of kurtosis and measures of kurtosis. If this video is useful for you, do you like this video? Please share, comment and like this video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Stay home and stay safe.